What's happening?
Yo, I'll tell you exactly what's happening.
The Golf is gone, and we mean it this time.
Oh, it's officially gone. Come on then, new car then.
Check this out. Do you know, I'm glad I can see why you're a fan of these. Nice little cars, these things.
I tell you what though, use the keys, but we're still not Adam C, you know what I'm saying? I mean, as nice as that is, and you're not Adam C, do you actually want to go and show the car that we might be buying then, or bought even?
Maybe. Let's go and have a look at it.
I mean, Lamborghini, that's pretty sweet. I'm a fan of green, but not that kind of green. Know what I'm saying? Let's keep going. So, another bit of British heritage. We've got the James Bond OHMSS edition. The wheels on that, spectacular. However, this wouldn't be a very good daily driver, know what I'm saying? I mean, this is something I would buy, you know, it's got the Boss logos on it and everything. However, I did have a Q7. It's basically a Q7, you know what I'm saying? It's not that, come on. SVR Range Rover. Nah, I'm not a Premier League footballer, you know what I'm saying? Rubicon Jeep, however, yeah. That's a bit of me, the colour, the spec, the tyres. Yeah, we're gonna have some weekend adventures with this thing. Only joke, and it's not this either. It's about time we actually show you exactly what we have bought, so come on. Cozzy, come on, let's be honest. Anyway, before we go further in this video, let's play a little bit of catch up. Let's see how the day started today, and let's see why we are here, you know what I'm saying? Right, so it's a Thursday today, yeah? Like I always do, I get up extra early on a Thursday. Start my day right, good bit of coffee, good breakfast. I go and check the scenery, Puthcore seafront, especially on a summer's day. Come on, you know what I'm saying? Gorgeous. Come on then, what are we saying about a morning glow up then? Generally, if you've got the opportunity or the chance or you can, you should start getting up half hour earlier, coming out and checking things like this. Because I tell you what, it starts the day right. It's not very beard friendly, let me tell you. However, beard friendly, we're going to be addressing that in a minute. Because it is now coming through the 7 AM. So that means every Thursday, beard trim, hair trim, get it done. Golf is in the background. It's the last time you're going to be seeing this. Now what pleases me, they're bringing all these Boss branded cars through, you know. I love that. 7 o'clock comes around, I have a fresh trim on a Thursday. Beard, hair, I know you never see it because I'm a complete catfish. But that's how a day starts. So shout out to my boy Wayne, hairdressers, trim, on with the show. Oh, that's right, I ain't kidding you. You've seen one morning glow up, now it's time for my morning glow up, you know? All this YouTube stuff, you've got to stay pretty and ting, innit? I'm just playing, but this is how I kick off a Thursday anyway, we're getting it done. Today is going to be a very, very special day. I'm excited for a lot of things. I can't believe after 7 months that's going. But I tell you what, you're going to be loving what is coming. Got to shout out my boy Wayne when we're here though, innit? You know what I'm saying? That's where I've been coming ever since I've been down these ends. And I tell you what, gentlemen, one of the brethrens and one of the Viking Army. So yeah, let's go get trimmed. So we jumped on the M-Way, we went to pick up Man Like Disorder. Back on road, we found ourselves at Auto 100. You know what I'm saying? This place, the car's here, push, next level. Oh wait, there's more to this story. We've got to go back a little bit. And when I say back a little bit, join me on another Thursday. Everything seems to happen on a Thursday these days. So let me sell the perfect Thursday to you, right? Meg's my partner, she's off work. We go into Cardiff, we're having some drinks. Drinks are flowing. Then we go for a nice steak meal, you know what I'm saying? Even better. From there, gin and juice, which you haven't been to in Cardiff, I'd highly recommend going. At this point, beers are flowing, gins are flowing. I'm in like an incredible mood. The day can't even get any better. Do what we need to do in Cardiff, we head on home. When we get home, as Thomas boys, we know we like to drink, yeah? So I open a bottle of Prosecco. This is going down very, very well. And I think to myself, do you know what? I've had a lovely day. Don't get me wrong, I love the golf as well, but I thought to myself, how can I make this day even better? Have a little look online whilst intoxicated, see what cars are about. Sounds lovely. And that's exactly what we did. I sat there, intoxicated, 9 o'clock on a Thursday evening, and I bought myself a new car. True story. Now, as an incredible car, that the AC is, it might be fine for Adam C, but Boss is a real man, you know what I'm saying? Big size and all that. And you're probably all wondering what car I've actually bought. Well, unfortunately for you, you're gonna have to stay tuned, check in tomorrow, because that's when the video is gonna drop. I'm very sorry, but we've gotta do what we gotta do.
So yes, we are playing a little bit, as we always do.
100%, innit? It gotta be done.
But let's just confirm some facts with them,
Yeah,
alright?
okay.
Okay, it's his car, it's not mine.
It is my car.
The Golf has gone.
The Golf has gone.
His Golf, the Mark 8, has gone.
It is, GTI's gone.
Mark 7 versus Mark 8 video coming very soon. It's already filmed, it's just waiting to be edited.
That's worth a watch, that's a good video, definitely.
But this had to go up first, obviously.
Yeah.
So you've bought a new car from this place.
Amazing.
How would you rate your experience?
honestly,
Not that I'm drawing this out.
honestly, incredible. I tell you what, does it everything. The whole service, right, from start to finish, impeccable, right? My guy Richard phones me on a Friday morning. Of course, I was slightly hungover from the Thursday before, and it took a minute for him to come through, and he's like, "You have bought a car new?" I'm like,
Of course he was drunk when he bought
I'm
it.
like, yes, I have. Yes, I have bought a car.
He knows
But
that.
I tell you what, the back and forth, right, there's been no messing about. The service, what you would expect is what they've delivered, and some. No, you're not handsome.
I'm
but
handsome, he calls me
You
handsome.
know what I'm saying? I can't shout out Auto 100 enough. Like, it's...
Independently, I'm not buying a car from you, so I've got no ties to this company at all, right? But the showroom is absolutely amazing.
I tell
The
you what,
people
this is-
are really friendly.
This is one of the finest establishments here. I sound like Kevin McAllister on Home Alone, innit? This is one of the finest establishments that I have visited. You know what I'm saying? Duncan's Toy Chest.
You don't get out much, though, innit? Do you know what I'm saying? Like,
No, I tell you what. No, genuinely,
Go
Auto
on.
100. And every time I'm trying to film this, I'm just looking around. So I'm catching, glimpses of cars out the corner of my eye. And it's stuff like that you can only ever dream of. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I
Remarkable.
will say, though, the new car reveal is definitely coming tomorrow. You will 100% tomorrow
Yeah.
find out what his new car is.
Right.
But there might be a bit more to it than that.
Yeah, what I was going to say, I would watch that video and don't just start, skip to the end to see what it is. There's going to be hidden stuff throughout that video, and it's going to blow your mind. That's all I'm going to say. It will blow your mind.
So thank you very much for watching. If
100%.
you've watched this far into the video, if you leave new car in the comments, as on screen at the minute, new car, right? Let us see that you've watched the video to this point, that you've heard him say you need to watch tomorrow's video all the way through, because there's stuff coming up in it,
It's going to blow people's minds. I tell you what,
and we'll
innit?
know you got the message in it.
You think the Evo was cool, you think the Chaser drops were cool. Just wait, that's all I'm saying.
You ain't seen nothing yet.
But what are we saying? Until next time?
Until next time,
Bush!
tune in tomorrow.